Hello, here's IC from M.RISE. I'm standing in our workshop now. Please allow me to introduce our workshop. Okay, first, this part of machines are all finished and after testing and after Q&A, ready for packing and ship.
These are all the stock machines. We also do some OEM and ODM for customers and some distributors.
Okay, we can see the machine already packed here on the wooden case of packing, ready for shipping to US.
Here are all of our patent and the certificate of our machines.
Warmly welcome customers come to visit us. Thank you.